Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. So before we started, what kind of symptoms can you list the symptoms you experience?
Sure. Yeah, so initially, I just felt it was really difficult to swallow. My lymph nodes, two of them were really swollen. One actually the size of my thumb under my chin, which it's not even there anymore. So that was the biggest
So
thing.
you had a huge lymph node in your neck, and
Yep.
that was very obvious visually. We can see it.
Very obvious, to the point friends could even see that. So it was just huge. They were huge.
And you had what kind of symptoms you had?
I had a cough. There was like a tickle in my throat. It was difficult to swallow. I really also too noticed night sweats every so often, in addition to just headaches, painful headaches.
How long that was going on?
So that was since June, July, August, September, about 3.5 months.
So you had those symptoms for 3.5 months?
Yes.
Okay, and what kind of treatment before having treatment with me you had before?
No treatment. I just was Googling and just looking at different things.
And you went to your medical doctor for that?
I went to see a nurse practitioner. They were really concerned. They took blood work and they saw there were significant deficiencies.
Significant. The list of the lab that I asked you to do, is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay.
Yes.
So, and how long it took you to notice difference when you start to own Aster supplements?
I started September 9th.
Okay.
That was a Monday. Literally exactly a month, exact 30 days of taking those supplements faithfully every single morning, morning and lunchtime, exactly as Dr. Jacobs had recommended. And that's when my blood work came back positive. The lymph nodes started going down. I came to Dr. Jacobs. I was nervous. I was in a panic, and I was up to like 4 o'clock that morning because I was on Googling up my different symptoms. I had a swollen lymph node. It was difficult to swallow. I was getting over a really bad cold, severe dental work, and I just couldn't really get a grasp on what was going on with me. And Dr. Jacobs not only calmly just gave me just advice at a moment's notice, he also just counseled me on the different supplements that would be helpful to my diet. I started taking all 5 of them, and literally a month to that day that I started that supplementation, my blood work came back, and it was a world of a difference. Where I had sufficient, I was deficient in vitamin D, my white blood cell count was really low. Now I literally got a full report, and everything was in the green, meaning that all of my blood work was normal, and all of the concerns that I had before, even the swollen lymph nodes, had gone down significantly. I don't have any difficulty swallowing. Not to mention my sleep has improved. I don't have brain fog anymore, and I have so much energy. So I'm so thankful for just meeting with Dr. Jacobs and just getting his counsel and advice. And I recommend him wholeheartedly to my family, to friends, anyone who comes with concerns. I send them right to the ASTR website. So thank you, Dr. Jacobs.
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below or go to asterinstitute.com.